Hey, how are you?
So tell me all about your plane.
Well, this is the Seagull Super-Chipmunk 99 inches. I got it from actually the good guys in Mississauga, Alex from Altec Hobbies, great bunch of guys. It was 3 months late, but you know, they didn't have to do this, but they gave me a nice hat and a fuel pump, which I have yet to install. But you know, as a consolation for being late, I mean, they didn't have to do that. So here is the 99-inch Chipmunk. It's of course powered by Free Sky Radio. Okay, and it's got a Rotomotor 85cc engine in it. It's a twin Boxster 4-stroke. Today is only maybe 5 flights it's had, but it's getting dialed in, and that last landing, wow, just felt right. It was awesome.
Beauty, and your first name is?
Joe Trinidad.
From what town?
I'm from Maple, so I'm from way far away from here.
Well, we appreciate you coming.
Yeah, well, hospitality is awesome here at NRMFC. Yes, it's great to be here, and thanks a lot for joining our fun fly at Halton Hills, by the way.
What goes around comes around.
You bet. Camaraderie is where it's at.
All right, thank you.
You're very welcome. Nice to meet you in person. You're famous too.
Anytime.
Okay. Hi, my name's Steve. I'm with the Niagara Regional Model Flying Club. This in front of me is the 63-inch version of the Seagull Hobbies Art Scholl Chipmunk. I've got this one powered electrically with an E-Flight Power 90, a Spectrum ESC Spectrum gear, period, and all up weight is around 9 pounds, 16.8 propeller. Flies great.
And where did you get it?
Altec Hobbies. Thank you.